Hi all, I am Dhanya Kamal. In this presentation, I am going to take you along with me with regards to the average salary scale of medical coders in UAE. So in the previous video, many of you have asked me what will be the salary, if you have seen the video which I have posted on medical coding jobs in Dubai. In that, few people messaged me or commented me can you tell me about the salary which we can expect when we are coming to Dubai. So here is a complete video so that you can look into it and clearly understand how the salary is being differentiated. Here, I will be explaining you the few criteria or factors on basis of which the salaries are differentiated. Years of experience, education, gender, bonus and location. For freshers, I let you know one thing. This is just a potential salary which you can expect if you have the right skill set and ability to impress the interviewer. And one more thing I want to remind you that this won't be the exact thing like when you will be in Dubai. Some changes will be made. And years of experience is the greatest factor which matters here. The experienced people, according to UAE, they will be considering only the UAE experience, not the Indian experience. So after coming to UAE, you have to gain experience that result in a very good salary package. So here you can see according to the experience how the salaries are being designed. So 0 to 2 years, the basic salary will be 7,000. 6 to 7 you can expect. And above you can see based on the experience, the salaries are being differentiated. And you can see that the salary is being increasing when the experience has been changed. Next is education. Education is also an important thing when coming to a job process. Like the bachelor degree is also there, master degree is also there. So there will be a slight variation based on the qualifications or the master or the bachelor degree. So here you can see from the basic level to the highest level, I have been differentiated how much variation you can see on the basis of that salary. See, please go through it completely and understand and then make preparation according to that. Next comes the gender. It's not like males will be getting less or females will be getting high. Nothing like that. It's just a format which I have made. So usually girls will be paid a percentage higher than male. Comparatively, when we take a comparison, you can see that because most of the females are into medical coder job. When we are comparing with males, usually housewives the people who are getting married and coming to UAE are mostly working as a medical coders. So the working scale, if you take, the females are in the largest scale when comparing to the males as a medical coder. And bonus and incentives, it's you can see it very clearly here. every 17 months you will be getting a 9% of increment in your salary, so that whatever you are getting as your basic salary, it will be increased every 17 months. So after the 17 months, if you shift the company or if you change your company, there is a chance of getting more salary. So this is the increment rate which I have been which I presented here. You can go through it and you can understand how it works. Now in this slide I have compared the other qualifications or other working sectors compared with medical coding profession. So how this salary is being differentiated here. So for banking it's 2%. Usually the healthcare people earn the highest salary in UAE comparatively with other profession. Bonuses and incentives, as already discussed, I told you, right? The bonus will be 9% increment will be there for every 17 months. So when you're starting to work with a company, you should be there in a company for at least 17 months. After getting an incentive or after getting an increment, you can move on to the other company based on this. And one more thing I have to tell you, once you plan to come to UAE, don't have high expectation on salary as a fresher, because when you are new to UAE, the freshers will be considered as a trainee in the beginning. So the salary scale will be little bit low, but once you gain the experience, automatically it will change. So try to gain maximum experience and exposure to excel in current and future endeavors. And in this slide, I have clearly mentioned how much will be the average salary based on different locations in UAE. So you can see there are mainly different emirates in UAE, so that in each emirates the salary scale will be differing. Abu Dhabi, Alain, Dubai and Sharjah, the salary will be little bit high when compared to the other emirates. You might be thinking why it is been differing, or why there is a differentiation in this salary. Mainly focus as a medical coder or as a fresher in UAE, you have to mainly focus on the healthcare centers, medical centers, and comparatively considering the hospitals and all, you have to search job in small places like clinics, dental clinics, medical clinics, like that. In small places the vacancies will be more. So if you focus there, you can easily grow your career fast, and when you gain 1 or 2 years of experience, you can directly approach to the big hospitals, so that it will be easy for you to gain experience as well as. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can put me in comments, so that I'll be able to answer each one of your questions. And thank you so much for your valuable time, and if you have any queries, please do reach me. If you really like this video and find it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Each like of yours motivates me to create more quality content. Thank you again.